Hey friends, if you encounter Microsoft Office error code 80090016, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So we need to download a tool and it's called Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. I have already downloaded it and I'll open it. It's a very heavy tool. Now the question is, where would you download it from? Simply Google it. Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant and you'll find it here. So you can download this tool, and after downloading this tool, select Office and Office apps, click on next, select I have installed a version of Office but I cannot activate it, click on next, and is this effective internet machine? Yes, next, and it will start resetting your license. You will have to log in with your credentials once again. So I want to enter my credentials for confidentiality reasons, but you can enter your credentials and it will reset the license. Now the second is that you need to disconnect all of your work and school accounts and stay connected with your company account or your home account. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select access work or school accounts. Now I don't have any one of these connected. I could connect it from here, but I don't have them. If you have them, simply click on remove to remove these accounts. After this, you can clear the TPM. How? Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type tpm.msc and hit enter to open the TPM window. Click on clear TPM and then click on restart. And when you click on restart, it will restart your computer after clearing the TPM. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.